In this video, I'm going to teach you how to reset MT5 to default settings. If you want a fresh start or something seems off with your platform layout, this is the fastest way to restore it. Let's get started. First, open your MT5 application and make sure everything is saved before proceeding. Next, go to the File section located at the top left corner of the screen. Then click Open Data Folder. This will bring up a window containing your MetaTrader files. After that, click Terminal in the folder path to go back to the root MetaQuotes directory. Now, close the MT5 application completely to avoid issues while deleting files. Then, find the folder that's a random combination of letters and numbers. This is your user profile data. Finally, delete that folder, and when you reopen MT5, the platform will load with default settings as if newly installed. And that's how to reset your MT5 to its original default setup. If this helped you, like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick and useful guides. See you next time!